Muscles are specialized effectors that bring about movement through contraction. This provides animals with great flexibility, allowing them to move in many ways. The main type in the body is skeletal muscle that's attached to the skeleton via tendons. Before we learn about how muscles contract, we need to understand the structure of their cells. Muscle fibers bunch together with each one acting as a specialized cell. They are multinucleate, meaning they have more than one nucleus, are surrounded by a cell surface membrane called the sarcolemma, and have highly specialized contractile units called myofibrils, which consist of two types of protein, actin and myosin. The actin and myosin filaments arrange themselves in a way that causes an alternating pattern and forms a striated design observed in electron micrographs. Myosin filaments are approximately 15 nanometers in diameter, while actin is thinner at around 7 nanometers in diameter. Now that we understand the structure, we can look at how contraction occurs. The basic principle of muscle contraction is demonstrated via the sliding filament mechanism, which is that myosin and actin filaments slide past each other, reducing the overall length of the sarcomere in muscle. As you can see from the diagram, myosin has bulbous heads which fit into binding sites on actin. At rest, these binding sites are blocked by an ancillary protein called tropomyosin. Contraction occurs when an impulse from a motor neuron reaches the synapse at the junction with the muscle. An action potential is what stimulates the muscle fiber, causing the release of calcium ions, so the ancillary protein is moved to expose binding sites on actin. This allows the myosin heads to lock into exposed binding sites, forming actomyosin bridges. Once attached, the myosin heads change their angle and rock or rotate back to pull actin filaments over adjacent myosin filaments. ATP hydrolysis releases energy, enabling myosin heads to detach from the binding sites in actin, revert to their original angle, then reattach, and the process is repeated. The cycle continues as long as the muscle fibers receive nervous stimulation. Here is a list of key definitions. Thank you for listening.